children. Good morning everybody. Welcome to Sri Tarubalu YouTube classes. My dear children, in the previous class that we have studied about one of the great adventurous person called Anifuddin. In the lesson, a great martyr ever cherished. Am I right, children? Yes. Let us learn the remaining aspects of that lesson in today's class. Shall we? Yes. Before going to start my today's class, children, that I will ask you a few questions regarding the previous class. The life of Ani was not a smooth sailing. Do you agree with this? Justified. Okay, this question was given to you in the previous class as a homework. Am I right, children? Yes. How can you say that his life was not a smooth sailing? Very good. That he faced the hardships in his early life. That too, he lost his father at the age of 8. Am I right? And also, he didn't get his mother's affection in the home because that she has a touring job and she used to leave her children in the home itself. Got it, children? Very good. And another question was arised in the previous class, children. What was that? Yes, somebody said. You are right, children. Look here. The absence of Anif's mother taught them many things. What did it teach them? Got it? Yes. Eva Aziz had a touring job and she was, got it, going from one place to another doing her duty. So the children here in the home, they have to get up themselves, get ready for themselves to the school without, anybody tell them. Isn't it, children? Yes. And also, every day that she was going to duty or work, that duty conscious taught them the many things that one's duty is more important than anything in their life. Got it, children? Yes, you are right. Till then, that we were studying. Shall we continue? Yes, look at that. Yes. Shall we continue from that day, that part, children? Yes, okay. Then, open your textbook page number 190. While Anif's elder brother, Nafisuddin, went on to become a teacher and was at the J.D. Tyler School, New Delhi. At the time of tragedy, look at children, when this incident, when they lost their father, his younger brother was doing the teaching profession, that he was teaching the music at the J.D. Tyler School in New Delhi. And his younger brother, Anif's younger brother, was composing music on Casio. Anif would often team up with them as on the drums. Both the family members, his younger brother was teaching the music and his elder brother was teaching the music and his younger brother was, look at here, younger and elder children. Younger in the sense smaller, elder in the sense bigger. Got it? So like this. Yes, he used to go with him. Anif used to go with him. Got it, children? In order to give the shows. An introvert, Anif began to make friends only by the time he was 14 years of age. Look at it. Underline this passage here. Okay, what do you mean by introvert? A person who is interested in his own thoughts. Anif was an introvert justified. Like this they may ask in your examination, children. He was an introvert, children. Okay, how can you say that he was an introvert? Look at that. He began to make friends only by the time he was 14 years of age. See, at the age of 14 years that he used to make friends with so many people, even with the elders. He would often go out of his way and help people because that gave him a certain kind of joy. Sorry, sir. Look here. Being the 14-year boy, he used to help the children. He used to help the people. Got it? He was going out to help the people. Look at the concern of Anifuddin about the other people. In fact, this was the quality his seniors recounted when they came to meet me after his death, explains his mother. See, the same quality was continued, he retained when he was in the army too. He used to help the people who are in trouble. That is what tells us that he was an introvert. Look at children, underline these lines, underline this paragraph. This particular paragraph is very important on the point of 2 marks question. Hanif is an introvert boy. Justified. Okay, to that question that you have to write like this, that Hanif began to make friends at the age of 14 years and he used to go out to help the people who are in trouble. Okay, and it was giving him a great joy. And this quality was remembered by the army officers when they have visited to his home after his death. Okay, his mother recalls that fact here. And he was able to reach out all. Emma mentions that a 77-year-old gentleman who paid a condolence visit to Hanifuddin's house recalled how Hanif had approached him with some queries related to Sufism. See, children, he was able to reach out all in the sense everybody is liked Hanifuddin, irrespective of caste and age. One of the gentlemen, aged man, that who was 77 years old, who had come to the condolence, who gave a condolence visit to the Hanifuddin's home, he recalled how Hanif had approached him with some queries related to Sufism. ಸೂಫಿಸಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂದೇಹಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ 77 ವರ್ಷದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹನೀಫ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ that Hanif was well known to everyone and he was he reached everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಯಾರು? Hanif. Then Hanif was a student of Kerala school in New Delhi and had applied to the army when he was graduating from Shivaji College, New Delhi. See children, when he was studying in the New Delhi, that too in the Kerala school, he applied for the post of army. That too, army. Hanif was a student of Kerala school in New Delhi. He was studying in the Kerala school, but he applied to the post of army when he was graduating at the Shivaji College in the same place called New Delhi. Yet Hanif didn't know much about the army. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ. The only exposure my sons and was through me, as I had often gone to the forward areas and performances of the armed forces entertainment wing. She says, Hanifuddin's mother is narrating that Hanifuddin knew only a few things about the army when she was narrated about the army when she had been to give the performance in the armed forces. Got it? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ Hanifಗೆ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಶೋ ಕೊಡೋಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Got it? However, 6 months into the Indian military academy training, the gentle Hanif was changed man. Look at it. In the training period, the smooth and gentle Hanif has become completely changed in the training which the army gives to the soldiers who have selected to the army. See, however, 6 months into the Indian Military Academy training, the gentle Hanif was a changed man. ಆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೇಸ್ he used to write to me about how tough the training was. Okay, he was writing a letter to his mother and he was writing about that training, and in those letters that he was describing, that he was explaining how tough the army training was. I particularly remember him telling me that they had to take a Masuri bath at the midnight. I suppose it was some kind of cold water bath at midnight. Remembers Hema. See, while writing the letters, he used to say, or he used to write about that Masuri bath at the midnight. Andre, taking cold water bath, that too in the midnight, during the winter. Isn't it? It's really, okay, horrible training. Military training is really a tough training. He used to write about that. See, I particularly remember him telling me that they had to take Masuri bath at midnight. Masuri bath ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂತೆ ಆರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಇತ್ತು? ಐ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾತ್ ಅಟ್ ಮಿಡ್ನೈಟ್. ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಣ್ಣೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಹೌ ಟಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಈಸ್. Remembers Emma. Post training, Hanif joined the 11th Rajputana Rifles and was posted at Jaipur and then Siachen, just prior to the Kargil War of 1999. See, after the training, where was he posted? Yes, he was posted to the, Hanif joined the 11th Rajputana Rifles. Okay, 11th Rajputana Rifles ke join ado and was posted at Jaipur and then Siachen. Siachen, you can check it, is one of the very coldest area and which borders to China and India. Just prior to the Kargil War of 1999, 1999 ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ವಾರ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರ್ವಭಾವಿಯಾಗಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಯಾಚಿನ್ಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಸಿಯಾಚಿನ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಹೌ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 99 ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ವಾರ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸಿಯಾಚಿನ್ಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯೆಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏಕ್ದಮ್ ಬಿಂದಾಸ್. Ekdam bindas is Ekdam is a Hindi word. So this question is also very important. Write down please. Life of Ani was Ekdam bindas, justified. Okay. This question is also asked so many times in the examination. On the point of examination, yes, write down this question. So Ekdam bindas in the sense of jolly. Look at it. Yet life of Ani was always Ekdam bindas. He dabbled in art. Look at that. He dabbled in art. Try to draw throughout. Okay, seriously. Dabbled in art or painting. He was well versed in painting. He was a multi-talented personality. Got it? So look at that. He was dabbled in art. Underline. Sketched very well. Made beautiful cards out of waste materials. Did a great deal of love playing the drums. Which is why the officers at the Rajputana Rifles, as army terms as the 11th Rajputana Rifles, made him to get all his instruments from Delhi and from music group now called Ani. Okay, sir. He created a different type of atmosphere in the Rajputana Rifles regiment. How? He was a very active man. He was a very active person. He was dabbled in art. He was good at drawing and he sketched very well. Underline it. Okay, life of Hanif was Ekdam bindas, justified the Kendra Makla. We have to write this. He was dabbled in art. Dabbled in art in the sense he was well versed in art or drawing. Sketched very well. ಮೇಡ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ materials, read a great deal and loved playing the drums. He loved to play the drums. Drums na play ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. that is why ಹಾಗಾಗಿನೇ the officers at the Rajputana Rifles made him to get all his instruments from Delhi, from which music group now called as ANI. So they have created their own music group in the Rajputana Rifles. Rajputana Rifles. ಅವ್ರದೇ ಒಂದು ರೈಫಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವರು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. He used to play the drums beautifully. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the officers of that Rajputana Rifles helped him to take the musical instruments from the Delhi. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅನೀಫ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೂಪ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ look at it in the paragraph number 9. In the paragraph number 9, they will ask you, the life of Ani was ekdam bindas, justified. Okay. While there was not enough time to rise up the ranks as he had dreamed, another of Ani's wishes did come true when the subsector was named after him. As a young officer, Anif had once told his mother how a post of Nassing post had been named after the brave soldier. Look at it. See here, that you might see that sector. Okay, that was renamed after his death. He was died at a very early age of 25. That's why he did not rise up in his rank ನಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಆರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರು. Okay, after his death, okay, he rised to the peak. Look at that peak, snow-covered peak, which was renamed after his death as the subsector Ani. Or ಸತ್ ನಂತರ ಆ ಪೀಕ್ಗೆ ಇವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅನೀಫ್ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನಂತ? ಆಸ್ ಎ ಯಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, Anif had once told his mother how a post that Nana Singh post ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ಮಿ ಕೋಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾನಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ, ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾನಾ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟರು. ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಡೆತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿ, that Tartak sector was named as the subsector Ani. Okay, in the memory of the brave soldier. So his bravery does live on in the air of the cold mountain and the plains. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಅನೀಫ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಯೂರುತ್ತೆ. Got it? His name will be live on in the air of the cold mountains and on the plains. Okay, ಇಡೀ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಜರಾಮರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And a scholarship now exists in the name of his family, has started a school in Kulu under Ani Foundation. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. and by his name his family has started a school in Kulu under Ani Foundation. Ani Foundation ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಲುನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ is started by the Anif's foundation. Despite the pain and loss, Hanif has earned his family a glory that will see them through the years. Look at that. Despite the pain and loss, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸು ಮತ್ತು ನೋವು ನರಳಾಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಹನೀಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎ ಗ್ಲೋರಿ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂತೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಹೇಮಾ ಅಜೀಜ್ politely decline the Indian Army's compensation offer of petrol pump. See, after his death, Indian Army has granted a petrol pump on the name of Hanif as a compensation ಆಗಿ ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರ ಆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿತು. She politely rejected. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಖರಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಗೆ ಇವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಂಥ ಹೇಮ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇರಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ಓಕೆ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓಕೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹನೀಫ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಆರ್ಮೀಸ್ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಡಿಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ whose sole bread earner is gone. ಇನ್ನು ಹಲವಾರು ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಸತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಮಗನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೋಲ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಅರ್ನರ್, ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಆ ಇಡೀ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಮೋರ್, ಸೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಿಯರ್. ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ she says like this to them, in a sense, to help to those people who needed it more rather than her. Look at the politeness of Hema Aziz and look at the helping nature of Hema Aziz too in this time. The two are during that time, yes, like this children, this is how Hanif has become a great martyr in his life. Got it? Yes, I hope that you have understood this lesson and write the questions. These are very important questions on the point of examination. Learn the answer to these questions and write it in your notebook. Okay, thank you.